What is unique about yung dito sa Prague, no, airports, because they have yung official airport taxi. You can order online here. Ayan. You can pay na kaagad sa diretso, no? Very nice, no? So if you're in if you arrive here in Terminal 1 of Václav Havel Airport in Prague, they have Uber kiosk here for na Uber kiosk. You can order, no? You can pay through credit card. Very ano to? Very handy. Yan, malaking tulong din sa'yo. Nice. Tapos katabi lang yung ATM din. Although you can order also through Bolt. Yan, yung ride sharing app. Yung ginagamit namin. Very handy siya. But what we're saying is if you're arriving here in Prague Airport, you can, the arrival area is here. The arrival here, Terminal 1. Food court is only 1 minute there. You want food court there. Exchange rate. Going there is Terminal 2. But there's food court pala doon, sa taas. Kung wala ka masyadong gamit, you can have. That is arrival. For those of you arriving in Prague through yung Václav, yung pangalan hirap i-pronounce, airport, again, this is yung Uber kiosk. Registration not required, no? It's the official airport taxi. Maganda kung ganyan. Although again, as we mentioned, ito yung ginagamit namin, itong Bolt na app. Okay. Praha. They pronounce it Praha. But this is Prague, no? For Praha. May good people na arriving. Ano mga bago dito? Parking. Okay. Maganda yun yung Uber, no? Kiosk. You just, no need for registration. You can just book your airport taxi. I'm going back to Terminal 1 departure, no, area. They have convenience store here. Ano mga convenience dito? Okay.